Good morning, everybody. This is Dr. Diego Allende coming back to you again with I Got a Minute Doc. And today we're talking about peptides and Peptides 101, what you need to know, what they are, what they're not, and what you should know. First of all, what are they? They are chemical messengers. Your body makes thousands of them, and we make them every single day for chemical messaging. They are not steroids or hormones, but they do have cellular reactions, which can affect these things. They are made of amino acid sequences, and so your body makes them every day. Our body makes things like insulin, it makes things like growth hormone, it makes things like oxytocin. These are all peptides, and they are FDA approved. So when we talk about peptides, they are not considered experimental. There are some out there, yeah, they're in the pipes and they're coming down the pipes to be used in everyday medicine, but they are used every day by your body. So what they're not, previously stated, they are not hormones and they're not steroids, okay? It's important where you get your source of peptides. So look for CGMP certified labs or compounding pharmacies. Make sure they have a certificate of authenticity. Otherwise, you don't know what you're getting. You should be supervised. Good lab history, good history and background and physical examination, and what your goals are. Do this supervised. Don't make the mistake and get stuff that's black market or from China, stuff that you cannot verify where it's from. That's your minute of the day. Have a good day, folks.